Probably spin out now. I told you I'd spin out, dude. Just wait. Freaking hell, dude.
As soon as you let go of the wheel, dude, it just kicks out.
I know.
Oh yeah, baby. Woo!
This is gonna be a bad lap.
Yeah, baby!
Look at the steering.
Yeah! Did he say you could drift?
No, I'm just doing it.
You just did it? 26.2. What was it?
26.2. And I missed like half the cones. Clutch kicked it, dude.
I knew it.
I shouldn't have clutch kicked it.
Wait, you clutch kicked the next entry?
I thought I was gonna have to, but I didn't.
Hell no, dude. The whiplash. The whiplash will carry you. You see if you need to rotate tires. You're not even gassing it through the finish. Dude, this is good. You're getting good.
Whoa.
It's okay. That's good.
Here we go. I ain't messing around, dude.
26.2. Let's hang it out all the way this time.
Okay.
What do you say?
Film this. I'll spin out now that you're gonna film. I told you I'd spin out, dude. Just wait.
dude.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm about to bitch you out.
Okay.
As a former Formula Drift license holder,
Ooh.
professional drifter, I'm going to tell you exactly where you're messing up.
Okay.
You're nailing it all the way around the big corner. You're holding it all the way around, and then when you come around, it's like this, and then you make that transition. Where your problem is right there and why you're spinning out is because you're not getting hard and fast on the accelerator after you make that weight swap. So if you don't let the tires go back to doing the drift motion and they try to grip up, that's what's going to happen right there. So when you come around and it starts to transition, go ahead and get on that throttle. Once it comes back and makes that weight transfer and the back end comes across like that, get right back in that hammer. And then it'll, and then you lift and it'll go rotate again, and then you get on it, and you'll be able to put the whole thing together.
Okay. It's fun.
For real. Go have some fun.
Okay.
Go
Sounds
rip
good.
it up.
Okay.
I'm not picking up no more cones.
Okay.
Have fun.
You're killing it, dude. Yeah, so dude, whenever I get a freaking camera on, it's like I can't freaking do it.
You guys can go and get as happy loose as you want now.
Okay.
If you knock over a cone, I'm not picking it up.
Okay.
Okay? I'll pick up my timing equipment and start to do a little bit of my cleanup job, and you guys just go rip it, okay?
Cool, I appreciate it.
Don't hit any walls, please.
Okay, sounds good, I appreciate it. Can't do it one-handed. Oh my hell!
There's two more under the car.
Oh my gosh. I tried doing it one-handed, but I couldn't do that.
You ate some cones?
Yeah. Third gear, baby.
This is awesome.
That's the fun, huh?
It's way fun. Thanks, man. Third gear, baby.